So guys, I came yesterday back from the Serengeti. It was amazing, except the Maasai camp. Now I'm here at the bus station waiting for my shuttle bus to Nairobi. Just a little bit working on the laptop, then going I think 5 hours to Nairobi. In 2 days I'm flying out then from Nairobi to Australia. Then the second chapter is over. Yeah, really excited. Crossed the border before. Now I'm in Kenya, my last stop in Africa. In 2 days my flight is going to Australia. I'm finally here. The family is super friendly, super nice, and I got a really nice message. So was on the bed. Yeah, it's nice stay. But now I'm tired, so I take a shower and then NFL playoffs, because I think the Wi-Fi is pretty good here, so it can happen that it works. Good morning. I'm trying to, because I don't have a lot of money left and I don't want to go to the ATM again, so I want to try to go to the city, look around a little bit the city, and yeah. I'm in the town after a crazy bus ride. So, but now I have the problem, I have still some Tanzanian shilling. You cannot change Tanzanian shilling to Kenyan shilling. It's the neighbor country and a lot of guys traveling, but you cannot change.